So productivity advice. How do you stay productive? Have you got any tools that you use?
I am a big reader, so I read every morning. So I'm an early
Yeah.
riser, and
Leaders
I
are readers, eh?
leaders are readers, and
Yeah.
I do. It is a something I've followed for years and years and years now, and and I take a little bit out of every book. I'm a big user of OneNote. Brilliant. Use my iPad. I scribble everything down because I prefer writing than I do typing. Um, Outside of that, I like the flexibility. So I don't actually have any really predetermined long-term meetings in the diary. I don't like agendas. The sort of saying is, be brief, be bold, be bright, be gone. If you're having a meeting with me, I just like people to say it as it is, good news, bad news, and go in and don't give me the history, just give me the answer, and I'll go away and do it. I still sit here every single day, Gareth, look in the mirror and go, how did we build a tech unicorn? and, and why me? So I've always just been a believer that if you work hard and try hard and don't take yourself too seriously, then it's all okay.